Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing good and I hope you all are well in this COVID-19 pandemic situation. Today we are going to start our online workshop on modern construction materials organized by Department of Civil Engineering, Dr. K.N. Modi University, Nebai, Rajasthan. I want to express my heartiest gratitude towards you for taking out time for such kind of events. I want to thank our chairman, sir, Professor Dr. D.K. Modi, sir, for his kind motivation and inspiration. I also want to thank Mr. Sandeep Gupta, sir, Registrar Dr. K.N. Modi University, for his kind support for such kind of events and academics activities. In this workshop, we have around 300 participants from more than 30 institutions, universities, and research organizations, and some of the consultancies also. In this workshop, we have eminent speakers from industry, research organizations, government sector, and academia. The recorded session of the workshop will be uploaded on our YouTube channel of Dr. K.N. Modi University, Rajasthan, and we will intimate you about these lectures time to time. So kindly be present on the WhatsApp group for the kind updations and for all the activities related to the workshop. Today the first session was delivered by Mr. Anand Sinha, Assistant Professor, Amity University, Jharkhand, on the nuclear shielding properties of concrete, which is a very new topic and we have to explore more about this. So we have 3 lectures today on various topics from different speakers. The first lecture will start from 11 a.m. and I will update you about this on my WhatsApp group that we made. And then the next lecture will be delivered at 11. The next lecture will be delivered at 1 p.m. and then the last one at 3 p.m. So we have 3 lectures today and 3 lectures tomorrow. So I welcome you all on the behalf of my university to present over here. So kindly be with us and gain as much knowledge as you can in this tough time of pandemic COVID-19. So thank you once again. Thank you a lot.